Okay, today's AI tip of the day is I'm going to show how to use the AI for student use to create a debate partner for your students if you are doing a persuasive essay or a mock trial or any kind of debate activity with a point-to-point view. So first thing you want to do here is click where it says Magic Tools, and then we're going to go up to the corner. Instead of Magic School, we're going to click Magic Student. Okay, so now what I want to do now is come over to this side in our toolbar. I want to click Launch to Students. All right, now once I'm in here, I want to create a new room. So I'm going to click Launch New Room. And you could put whatever tools you want for students in this room. I'm going to call this one Debate Partner Activity. And I'm going to set it for 8th grade. And now you could put the max students per room, per class, total, right? So let's say I want, all my students potentially to access this. Maybe I put 125 students, okay? Let me click Next. Okay, now I don't have any tools in my room yet, so I have to add tools. So we're going to type in Debate Partner, which is a tool, and it's going to pop right up. So I'm going to come over and click Add, and there it is. Now, you could add more tools. You could add the RayNet chatbot to have further discussions, but let's keep it simple and just say we're just going to use this debate partner for this activity. So I'm going to click Next. Now, this is what's available tool in the room, but I'm going to click Customize. You don't have to customize it, but you could change the name, debate partner for persuasive essay. Maybe that's what I'm doing in class. Now, if everybody, you can describe it clearly however you wish. You can change the voice for the read aloud and set the grade level. Now, if you're all going to do the same topic in the class, you might hide this so the students don't see it. This side will tell you what the students will see. This is a preview of what students will see. And then they could just say which side. But if you're doing different topics, you might want to show that. So now the student might type in what their topic for the debate is and then which side they're taking, okay? So from there, I could change it here, okay, or I could leave it for students to fill in. So once I'm done with that, I decide I want them to see topic and I want them to see what side of the debate. And this is what they're going to see. So I click Next. Now I can test this to see how it works. So I'm going to type in, I could type in capital punishment. All right? And down here, I might say the AI should take against me capital punishment is unconstitutional, or it is cruel and unusual punishment, right? Or we could change this to cell phone use in schools, right? Or we could change it to social media use for teenagers. And then down here, let's say the student is going to be arguing that social media is good for teenagers, right? So the AI might be saying social media use is dangerous for teenagers. And then I click Generate to see what kind of response I get. So this is going to give you an idea of how this is going to work, right? I understand you'd like to engage in debate about the dangers of social media for teenagers. Please share your first argument and I respond to it. So then the student might write, social media allows teenagers to interact in an environment that teaches them how to behave appropriately on the internet. And I click this. That's a valid point. However, while social media, okay, so your student can then engage in a back and forth and see both sides of the issue. And this is a great launching point before research, potentially, to give students a way to look at the issue, look at potential counter arguments and pros and cons before they dive into it. So I just want to show you that, and then we'd click Save. So there's our tool, okay? Now, once we have our tools customized, we are going to go to our rooms, right? Launch the room. Okay, now here's where you can either just give the students the URL directly and post it yourself in Google Classroom. You can launch it right to your Google Classroom by connecting to it and logging in that way, or you can put the join code up for students if you're doing a class activity. And that's it. And then they can interact with it and you can walk around. There are other ways you can moderate, and I'll do that in another video. Have fun.